Okay, you guys, so I always start off by roasting my sweet potatoes. I take a fork, prick them, rub them down in oil, rub them in foil, and bake them on about 350 to 400 until they are tender. Okay, I got 1 stick of butter and my sweet potatoes, half cup of cornstarch, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of Madagascar vanilla. I use about a teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of nutmeg, and about a half a teaspoon of ginger. All right, here's the finished product, y'all. This is my sweet potato pie. I didn't put no lemon juice in it. In my opinion, only orange pairs well with sweet potato. I believe baking the sweet potatoes is best. It's gonna bring out the natural juices in the potato, and it's not too sweet. It's just right. Y'all be blessed.